So guys, we're back with the Skrama again, and I said in one of my latest videos that I'd do a bit of a review on this and give you a bit more detail. So the actual blade itself, there's two angles, two edges to this blade. The first 5 centimeters is a different angle than the rest of the blade. The blade itself is mainly used for chopping, and this part, this first 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters or so forth, that's used for more your fine cutting, feathering. This little section where there's a hole, well, you can use that as you wish really. You can use that to hang the knife up, or you could use it for other things. I suppose if you needed to snap something, you could put it through there and use this as a bit of a lever. But the blade itself, I'll give you some stats, put them on the screen, up round about here let's say, and giving you the stats as far as the thickness of the blade, the actual width of the blade, the difference as far as the angles are concerned, that's more the refined stuff. This part here, that's the angle there. So that's really good actually, how they've done that, so you can do your more refined work and feathering and so forth, and this to do more the chopping. It's a one-handed chopper, but I suppose you could use 2 if really you needed to. Blade itself is a full tang blade. Now you may notice at the end here there's like an O-ring. When you put the lanyard on, it helps you to, as you wrap it round, hold and grip the what is essentially a mini sword. It means you can put more force as you swing down. It's no good just talking about it. Let's see how this baby performs. Now let's see what it's like a little bit closer. So the handle is a rough moulded rubber. It's got a rough texture to it. Gives you a good grip, and I'm just using one hand here as I'm chopping away. The weight of the knife, that's 525 grams. That's helping me out as I'm doing the chopping. I'm not putting too much effort into it, I'm just using the weight of the knife and a bit of a flick motion on the wrist, but the knife is doing most of the work here as I chop down. If you look there at the quality of the cuts, this is one sharp dude, let me tell you. Let me just show you close up. That's pretty good, isn't it? If I do say so myself. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, you definitely need a lanyard, because it slips slightly out of your hand, but I've got to say it's doing so because I've got leather gloves on. So, but it's cutting through, no problem. Now the only thing that's keeping that up now is this and that. Now that should go any second. Again, check out the cuts. Whew. Now that's not too bad, is it? The edge, by the way, holds very well. Because of the forging technique and the heating process, the outside of the knife and the metal is slightly softer than the inner side, and it's so you can sharpen the knife and sharpen the edge. So one of my viewers, and I've got to thank him for this, came up with the idea of putting the sheath into one of the ex-military scabbards that you can buy. You can buy these from any surplus store. I think I bought this at one of the Bushcraft festivals that I attended a few years ago, and actually bought it for my son, but it's coming really, really useful. The leather sheath that these actually fit into, I'll show you the design of them. You can see it in the Terävä Puukko. Hopefully that's nicely in focus now. You have a little belt dangler, little loop there, and it's that type of design. So they cost a fair bit of money, but they are quality. And again, that fits in, doesn't come out, and then you just put the metal fastener there, and Bob's your uncle, and all is good. If you want to spend a bit more money, then Roosterleken. By the way, I am not sponsored by them. I just want to share some of the good stuff with you guys, because the prices, if you look at the prices, and I'll leave links in the description box, but the prices on these knives are absolutely outstanding. This bark I can use for tinder. This is off a poplar, so very good for making tinder with. I can use that as a bit of a bundle in a bit, because we'll be seeing how this works with the ferro rod. That's quality in comparison to an axe. I mean, an axe always wins, hands down really, but this is lightweight and not a problem at all. So let's see how it works now with feathering. Not a problem. I'm going to make some substantial curls. Nice and easy. Make some lovely shavings. Guys, using this edge, I want to see how it fares feathering. Feels a little bit awkward because of the size of it. Let's just see if we can get the angle right. For such a big knife, it's not doing bad at all, and it's more to do with my technique rather than the knife itself, I think. There. But it's making some beautiful curls. There you go. So that's one. Let's see. You alright there, Badge? I think it's better to do it this way because the other way, one-handed, your arm, my arm's getting tired. Oh. There you go. Get all this all set up. Put a little bundle in there. Quite windy, so we'll just have to see how this works out. Should be fine though. So let's see how this Skrama fares with a ferro rod. Let's get it in the middle there. There you go. Not a problem. So we've got a flame going. Just put the coals over the fire. Go right there, Badge. Not a problem with the 90-degree angle, 90-degree edge, not a problem at all. Well guys, that's the Terävä Skrama. It's a beast, and I hope you found this video interesting and useful. If you liked it, buy it. Please like, subscribe, and I hope you did. You'll really help me out if you're sharing the video with others. Press the notification button, and if you found this video useful, subscribe. So until next time guys, you take care. I will see you on the next hook fin. Ciao for now. Bye.